Are you looking for an under eye treatment that is non-invasive, over-the-counter, that helps address the under eye puffiness, the fine lines and wrinkles? This eye gel treatment comes in a unique syringe type dispenser where you take out the lid, pull this off. It almost looks, I think the idea behind this was almost kind of similar to, you know, like how Botox is dispensed, meaning it's not Botox, but it's actually some peptides that can act very similarly or perform like Botox. This ingredient is just basically helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles based on relaxing the muscles. So it also has palmitoyl tripeptide, which helps with collagen production and helps with elasticity of the skin. And you can massage it on there. And I always like to do the little, just a little very light massaging underneath. If you are somebody who, due to lifestyle choices, whether it's you're not getting enough sleep, you're dehydrated, you had pizza and wine the night before, or seasonal allergies or something like that, and you have some under eye puffiness, because there's a difference between under eye puffiness and bags, then this product will definitely help.